Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss about Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So actually what is a spreadsheet and how could we use that software easily? So in this lecture I will show you about different features of Microsoft Excel and different uses of Microsoft Excel and different menus that are used in Microsoft Excels. Let's move towards the next step. Microsoft Excel 2013 we are discussing. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, not only for Windows, for Macintosh operating system, for Android operating system, for iOS operating system. It features to calculate or calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for application. For what purpose it was designed? I have discussed you that Microsoft Excel is normally used for calculation or for designing, for graphing tools, for inserting different charts and graphs, for inserting different tables and macro level programming as well. So let's move towards the next step of Microsoft Excel introduction, that is uses of Microsoft Excel. So for what purpose it is used? So now we are going to discuss. Number one, get quick totals. You will get the quick totals from the Microsoft Excel because it has mathematical or arithmetical function is there. Formulas is there. A list of formulas is there. So you can use those formulas to calculate any kind of calculation rapidly, quickly. So it could not be happen in the Microsoft Word. Data analysis and interpretation. You can analyze the different kind of data, different inventory control, different school, colleges, banks, offices, account systems, etc. Plenty of formulas to work with data, as I've discussed earlier, that there is plenty of formulas are there. You can manipulate different kind of data with the help of different formulas like minimum, maximum, average, sum, round, etc. Okay. Now, data organizing and restructuring. You can organize data and restructure data. Organize data, for example, you want to maintain the inventory record, you want to maintain the payroll system of any organization, you want to store the information about the hospitals, doctors, paramedical staffs, school, college, etc. So it's a kind of a database also. Excel have capability to store data like a database. It's a small kind of a database as well. Data filtering, you can filter data, organize data, and so on. Goal seek and analysis. You can easily seek your goal. You can analyze data because it is very flexible and user friendly. And online access is also there. If you do not if you don't have MS Excel software into your computer, you can easily get online access there. You can go there from the Google search engine and search out Microsoft Excel online, and you can manipulate your data online. You can save there your data as well. Now move towards the next step, that how looks Excel screen, how it look like. How could we be familiar with MS Excel as we are familiar with the Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is very easy rather than Microsoft Excel. It is little bit difficult, but not difficult, because we are here to discuss about different features of MS Excel, because in this way you are easily familiar with MS Excel. So let's move towards the number one. There is a office button. You can see a label diagram of Microsoft Excel screen. There is a office button. This one is called office button, and this one is called quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means you can easily quickly access any kind of operation. For example, you want to create folder, you want to search anything, you want to create new MS Excel sheet, you want to undo or redo any operation, you want to save. So these all operations are called quick access toolbar. And after that, there is ribbon. Ribbon means different formatting menus all they are there. For example, you can justify your text, you can left justify, right justify, justify, centralize, and you can change the font name, font size, bold, italic, underline, same features as given in the Microsoft Word. They are same features. You can change the font colors, you can change the background colors, font colors, and so on. So this is called ribbon of Microsoft Excel. Clear, students? Now move towards the next option. Now you can see different alphabets is there. They are new for you because in MS Word there is no alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and so on. There are so many moving right on your screen. So these are called columns of Microsoft Excel. These are the specialty of Microsoft Excel for accounting operation, for mathematical calculations. That's why there are so many columns. They have alphabetically numbers, column letters. Clear? Now there is another black rectangular frame or cell is there, that is called active cell. Means wherever you are moving your cursor on the screen, on the right side, on the bottom side, on the vertically, wherever you are moving, so that is called active cell. And on the top of the active cell there is another window. You can see there is a A1. A1 means the address window, or that is called name of the box. It is called name of the box. Another name is called active cell address or address of a cell. Right now where we are moving, right now where is our cursor, so that is called name box. So right now we are on A1, so that's why A1 is appearing on the address window or the name box. And other one is, you can see there is a small fx. Fx means function window or formula window, it is called. So you are going to write any kind of formula, or you want to use any formula, uh, or you want to apply on your mathematical data, so you will use here and you will write formula here. So it is called formula bar or formula window or function window. And I have already explained, this is letter, column letters means columns of MS Excel. And you have noticed that on the left corner side there is number 1 2 3 5 6 7 onward. There are different numbers. Numbers are the rows. They are horizontally numbers. They are called rows. That's why MS Excel is the collection of rows and columns. And the specialty of spreadsheet software is rows and columns. And Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software that we are going to use now. I hope that these are called row numbers and you will understand these are the rows, vertical 1, 2, 3 onward. It is moving infinite. Okay, you can write whatever, you can insert, number of rows will appear on your screen. And on the bottom side, there is sheet tab. Means at a time you have 3 sheet in your workbook or in your Excel file. Whenever you create a new Excel file, each and every Excel file has a 3 sheets inside it. So can only we use on 3 sheets? No, you can increase number of sheet into your workbook. You can insert, there is a plus sign on the bottom. Just after end of the third sheet, you can just click on this button and you will have another new sheet on your screen, sheet number 4. And there is, on default, their name is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You can change the name of sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So into students, we have discussed about the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet software, the introduction of Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and the uses of Microsoft Excel, and the first screen of Microsoft Excel. So you will be familiar with the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet software. You can use easily. So in the next class, we will discuss about practical formulas, practical text into the Microsoft Excel. And in the upcoming video, you will see that how could we insert text and numbers and manipulate numbers in Microsoft Excel, and how could we insert different sheet in Excel. So until that, you have to wait, and we will meet in the next class, next video. Until that, I am signing out. Allah Hafiz.